Alright guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sound video here in Costa Rica. Today we're at the top of Playas del Coco on a hill called Cacique. We're going to be checking out sunset. So you can see the sun is setting right now. Once again, we're here in Playas del Coco. If this is your first time joining, be sure to like this video. Hit subscribe right here on YouTube and turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video during our travels here in Costa Rica. So I'm going to be showing you guys today a secret spot where you can catch the sunset here if you're in Playas del Coco. And stick around till the end of the video. We have a drone flight. We're going to put the drone up and fly around for a little bit. There's going to be a pin in the description of the video so you can see where we started this walking tour if you're interested. Now, and a lot of people will come up here and park their cars up here on the road right around where that orange truck is coming up. They'll park here, but perhaps they don't know that there's a better spot you can catch the sunset. So you're basically going to come down this hill a little bit and you'll see this big white house here. So this house is actually for rent. It's quite pricey apparently. But if you're splitting it with a bunch of people, it's kind of like a little hotel. And of course you get a great view of Playas del Coco. So once you hit the white house, you're going to look for this dirt road here. You can drive up this road. Now I've seen this road can be in pretty dicey conditions. They've actually leveled it out a little bit. So you could take any car right now. There has been times when this is a 4x4 road only with a high wheelbase. So you're going to see this here. Now we do a few videos in Coco here. If you're planning on spending your vacation here in Playas del Coco, it's probably about a 30-minute drive from the Liberia International Airport. And there's lots of accommodations here. Playas del Coco is a cool place to hang out for your vacation. There's lots of great beaches around, lots of great stuff to do. And we're going to be checking out the sunset. So this is kind of like the sunset, the secret sunset spot. You can drive right up here. So you can see it's kind of remote. There's a bunch of houses under construction up here, a bunch of houses for sale, lots of development happening up here. And in Spanish, you might see atardecer, means sunset. There's actually a cafe in Liberia with the same name. We can check that out too if you want. It's right at the corner there, the main corner in Liberia. Nice new little cafe. So leave a comment if you want us to check that out. So you can see up here all these cool houses overlooking Coco. And I think we've got about 30 minutes left until the sun actually sets here. You can see somebody's already parked up here. But you can come up here with your lawn chairs and hang out. This is probably the best spot. Now there is another road just in front of these houses here. It just opened up. It was always overgrown and you can never get in there. But if you have a 4x4, you can do that one. And it takes you to another pad that's over on the other side of the hill here. But this one is great too. You can pull right in here. And this gives you probably one of the best views in Coco that I've seen. At least on this side. Over on the other side, there's a bunch of stuff. Coco Bay Estates is over there. Playa Ocotal is off in the distance there. Down here we have Las Palmas. We've done videos down there before, so leave a comment if you want and I'll link those videos that we've done. We have Pacifico, the development Pacifico there. Off in the distance there's more accommodations options and everything like that. And then of course you usually have to see the Bay of Playas del Coco here. All the boats parked. Lots of boats out today. It's pretty cool to see. And sunset's pretty great. It's kind of a foggy day, but nonetheless it's perfect for sunset. And there's a little cliff here, so don't drive too close. So pretty cool, pretty cool. But let's see what Playas del Coco looks like from the sky. And I'll join you right back here at the end of this drone flight. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that drone video here in Playas del Coco, once again, of the sunset up at this secret spot here. Be sure to like this video, subscribe right here on YouTube, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video during our travels here in Costa Rica or elsewhere. And as always, leave us a comment, even just to say hello. And there you have it, the sunset here in Costa Rica on the Pacific side. Looking pretty good today. It's kind of foggy, but when you're here, come check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye now.